Do you want to do a winged eyeliner look? Having trouble? Think it's a bit scary? It really isn't. I'll show you in 4 easy steps. Using my favorite liquid eyeliner, I'll show you. And pretty soon, you'll be walking down that street looking absolutely fabulous with your winged eyeliner. People will ask, how did you do it? Stay tuned, and of course, like, comment, subscribe, and if you'd like, send me some of your videos doing your winged eyeliner. And if you need some tips, message me. I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. Stick around and do your makeup with me. Alright, so let's get in. Of course, I've got my Essence Liquid Ink, my absolute favorite liquid eyeliner. I haven't found another that matches up yet. So, we're gonna start by lining the eye as closest to the lash line as we possibly can. That way, when our eyes are open, the eyeliner doesn't cover our entire eyelid and make it look like we've got no eyelid, alright? Alright. Get my mirror. Oops. Alright, now that we've got that done, we're going to create the line that's going to guide us to make our wing. What I like to do is use my bottom lash line as a guide. And then we go upwards. Alright, next eye. Alright, now the moment of truth. Let's make our wing. And now the other. Okay, now that we've got that done, we just have to fill it in. Get a little more. Simple as that, and now we've got our fabulous winged eyeliner. I'd love to see your guys' try. Please comment below. Please like my video. Subscribe if you'd like to do your makeup with me a bit more. And I'll see you around.